Welcome back to Crypto Rally. All right, step back from vacation, looking at Bitcoin on the 1 hour. So from the top to this bottom, we have currently hit the 0.618 at 78,543, and the 786 at 78,974. Break through this zone, and we're heading to the 1.236 at 80,138, and 1.618 at 81,140. Check the 1 hour RSIs. Currently moving up on the 1 hour, so more room to run. We are over this signal line right here on the 1 hour, looking good. 4 hour, getting overextended. And we are over the 50 line, so that's good on the 4 hour and the daily. Daily, we are over the signal line, trying to move up. Daily is looking kind of bullish. And then the weekly close, RSI still under the 50 line, trying to come up. The stock RSI is still trying to get up, so we'll see where it ends at 8 o'clock this evening. See if we're over here extended up in this area. But right now, we are trying to be bullish, it seems like. Had this move, we're over the 50. See what will happen over the next few hours. Let's look at POLYWOG. Last time I checked this, I was looking at this bottom to this top, pullback levels into the 618, 76 area. As you can see, came down, used it as support, and then we blasted up. So, and then we have, since this big move, have come back down to this area, used it as support, and now we've gone back up. A good support area. So let's see what we would have done here. So from this top to this bottom where we found support, reverse the fib, looking for higher levels, reverse. And that would have been resistance right here at the 618.786. Right here, 618.78, whoops, right here, 618.786. Just from that little move right there. See, we blasted right through it, went through the 1618, went through the 2618, went through the 3618, went to the 4.236, and we went all the way up to here to like a 75K market cap from that little move right there. So wait, pretty crazy. So now we're looking at the bottom to this top all the way up here. And we're going to reverse the fib. Settings. And when that happens, reverse the fib. So we're looking for the 618.786 for support. 618.786 for support. So you can see from this low to this high, came falling down, came through it on the 4 hour or 1 hour. Let's look at 4 hour. This is the daily. Oof. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Anyways, came down, found support in this area, came back up, found support over here to 618, and then we fell through all the way down to these levels here. And now we're moving back up. So now we go from this top down to this bottom right here. Reverse the fib. Reverse the fib. So 618.786 is up here. So we're fighting this 236, got over 382, and then have to come back down. So major levels right here, 76 at 0.0006248 and the 618 at 0.0005280. We get over that, we're going to new all-time highs at the 1.236 at 0.0008842. So 88K market cap and $1 million market cap at the 1.618 at 0.001104. If we can break through these levels, let's look at the RSIs. RSIs over the 50, so that's good. That's bullish. Trying to turn bullish over here on the stock RSI. Break this level. Head up. 4 hour over the 50. Down here at the bottom, trying to come up. So we're trying to become bullish again. You see, we were overextended. Came down, cooled off. Now we're trying to head back higher. And then the daily, we were way overextended. Came back in. Trying to turn up on the RSI, stock RSI, still has to curve around and come back up. So on the lower time frames, we are trying to get bullish again, trying to hold over this 236 level right here and head higher. So that is POLYWOG. And if you don't know who POLYWOG is, here you go.
It is Wednesday, my
That is POLYWOG. I look forward to every Wednesday to play that. And it was under 1,000 plays when I first started looking at it, and now we're over 2,000 plays. POLYWOG, and currently POLYWOG is at a 340K cap. So do with what you will with that information. So this is what I'm looking at for POLYWOG. Looking at Pixel. So last time I looked at Pixel, we had this top down to the bottom, 786,618, and found resistance at the 786, and we're coming back down, finding the support area here. We've been from here to here. This is the 618, 76 to the downside, and we're still using that as support right now. Looking at the RSIs, 4 hour, trying to curl up, get over the 50. 4 hours still coming down. 1 hour, trying to get over the 50. Stock RSI is coming up. So maybe come up, we need to cool off some. Basically just going sideways. And the daily still over the 50. Now we're starting to get a stock RSI right here, but still not enough information on the higher time frames. So let's see. Mainly going sideways / down here. Let's go from here. These levels right here. So if we keep going sideways by the 27th at 3 in the morning, see if we can blast over this level right here, or if we're going to reject, come back down. See what happens, and then MAGA make aliens great again. A lot has happened since I left. Going from this top to this bottom, support in this area, 618.017, 76.015. Came in here, support, and blasted higher. Now we're back, support, still in the same area. So now we have a new high here. I would go from this area up here. Keep this low down here. Down here, so from this low to this top. And then the 618, 786 is in this area, so you can see we're already below the 786 right here. Go ahead and move this up a little bit if I can. That's right here, so right here. So you can move it up to this area right here, but you can already see we're below fighting this 786. We're using it as resistance right now, so hopefully we can get above it. we'll keep that there. Hopefully we get over this 786. Looking at the RSIs, you can see the 1 hour's at the bottom, trying to curl bullish, run into the 50 line. So we need to get back above that 4 hour, trying to get back above the 50, 4 hours down here at the bottom, and then daily. See, we're still overextended, trying to come back down. So maybe the daily needs to cool off for our next move higher on MAGA, make aliens great again. You can see the lower time frames, 1 hour and 4 hour, we're trying to turn bullish again. So let's see what happens. So from this top to this bottom, 618.786 right here, which I need to reverse the fibs. Settings, reverse the fib. So our next higher time frame resistance right here, 0.02445, 618, 0.02738 is a 786. Get through that, and we'll be coming up to these levels up here between the 1.236 and the 1.618 at 0.04193 and 0.03525. That'll be new all-time highs for MAGA, make aliens great again. Let's see if we can turn bullish and start moving up to these higher areas. But that is what I have right now. So glad to be back from vacation. Please like and subscribe. Again, not financial advice. Do your own research. And this is just for informational purposes only and all that good stuff. But thanks for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.